Hi tech enthusiasts, Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab. Today I'll guide you on how to delete call history on your Samsung phone. Open the Call app. This is the default app used by all Android users to make and receive calls. And it also stores your complete call history, including incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Now go to the Recents or Call History section where all your recent calls are listed. At the corner of the screen, you'll see a three-dot menu. More option, tap on it to open additional settings. Select the Delete option. Next, you'll be given the option to choose specific call logs or select everything at once. To remove all call history in one go, tap on the All checkbox. After selecting, tap on the Delete button. Tap Delete again to confirm and permanently remove the call history from your device. If you found this guide helpful, keep exploring your device and discovering new features. Stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tech guide from Quantum Tech Lab.